How to fix Messenger floating video call not working problem. So let's go. So first click on three line. Now click on setting. Now click on notification and sounds. Now enable the notification. Now go back. And click on setting. Now click on notification in status bar. Tap on manage notification. Now scroll down and click on Facebook Messenger. Now allow notification. Now your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.